Thank you for joining us today on Showroom Sessions. This is Rick Dimmick with the Red Noland Pre-Owned Center. Today I'm bringing you a really nice vehicle. This is a 2018 Passion Red Volvo XC90 R-Design. The R-Design consists of LED headlights with the Thor's Hammer daytime running lights. You'll notice on the mirror covers that does have the silk metallic trim, dual integrated tailpipes, the R-Design leather steering wheel. Also, this does have the Bowers & Wilkins high-end premium sound system consisting of 330 watts. I think you'll really enjoy traveling in it. Also, air suspension, so we can get you that perfect ride, heated steering wheel, and a panoramic roof with a 2-liter super and turbocharged engine, putting out 316 horsepower, the 8-speed automatic. You're going to want to take this for a drive.